Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the reviews of a particular product on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And now select an item that you are interested in and would like to read the or see the feedbacks. So click on the relevant product, scroll down to the reviews section. As you can see, you can find the average point that the customers that purchase this product gave to this particular item. You can also read the reviews if there are any by clicking on the this button, read all reviews, and you are going to see how many stars that particular customer gave to this item. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.